Hey guys, so we're gonna just do a quick sound test on the Hitachi 120-watt Bluetooth all-in-one soundbar. So on the remote, you've got the power button. You press the power button once, and then you'll see a light indicate on the soundbar. So as you can see, it's lighted up blue, which means it's on Bluetooth mode. So then you have the mute, the volume down, then you have volume up. You have Bluetooth and then modes. So if you press modes, it changes from blue to green to red. So blue is for Bluetooth, green is for audio by 3.5mm headphone jack, and red is for DC adapter. So I'm going to just quickly play some tracks. Protection and some foam. Today we'll be looking at So I only put the volume up to 25% of the max output. This speaker will be excellent for small rooms like a bedroom or small living room. So guys, thanks for watching, and thumbs up and like and subscribe. Peace out.